In this video, the X-Maxx does a jump and shits a leg off. The Slash 4x4 does a speed run on 4S, and 8S Steve gets bossy. Hey, we got the Steves in the house. We got the annoying kids in the house. Yeah. We got an X-Maxx and a kid on a skateboard. Oh. Can you get up the steps?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Oh! You're doing a better job than me.
Oh.
Ah! Ah! There we go. It's not as fast on these Badlands. I think probably because I don't balloon up as much. With it two-wheel on the Badlands. I'm not sure if the self-right works on the Badlands neither. Oh yes, self-right works. Oh, go on dog.
You broke it already?
Ah! It's definitely harder on the Badlands, but still doable. Ah. Oh no, have I? Oh no! Ah, broken it! The spring's off! Oh no! That's it, it's getting it! Oh. Oh, nosedive! Here's the springage. Ah, poor X-Maxx first jump. If you have a look on there, all the shock shafts on here are all stock. Apart from that one there, which is an unlimited engineering one. So I've broken 4 of these so far. And so far I've only broken 1 stock shock. So the stock shock shafts are stronger, guys. Hey! Oh, and the drive shaft's out as well. Ah! Oh, they split it. They split the cup. Well, that's game over for the X-Maxx. X-Maxx is broken. Slash time. What the hell? How fast do you reckon it would go, Steve? I reckon...
What are we on?
3S.
3S. I'm going to go with 45.
I'm going to go with 30 because I've just done a speed run on the grass. It didn't look that fast.
Oh, alright, fair enough, yeah. And it's hot. Yeah, that'll be fine. You actually be able to see it through that running and
yeah.
little register.
I'm going to get black. I'm going to get...
There we go. I should probably do flat out coming back. Because going away, when it crashes, you got... Yeah, then you got to go running. Oh, wheelie. That's flat out.
Didn't you look slow?
I reckon 30 maximum. 30 maximum. Oh, 28.9.
I've got a letdown.
I've got to try and get it
Try it
to,
without the body show.
I've got to try and get it to
Just out of
30.
interest.
Alright, let me do one more with the body.
Yeah.
Do it coming back.
I don't think it'll lift without it.
Yeah, probably won't, will it?
No.
Here we go. Oh, it's even slower now, it's just wheeling.
Oh.
You can't, definitely not faster. Oh, 30.5.
So it was actually quicker.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, let's try it with a... Hold on a sec, dude.
Yep. No. I'll take the parachute off.
Take the parachute off, yes.
I live in Germany. Well, I live in... That's my speeder.
Oh, it's flat out. Flat out.
Where's my speeder?
I reckon I might get 40 out of it on 4S, but not with the body on.
Speed. All the way, fast. What is faster?
That is it, that's flat out. What's it done?
It went 38.8.
Oh, 38.8.
Getting closer.
What did you use?
So on 4S, I reckon it might hit 45.
Can I have a race against your RP car?
Can you run
Yeah.
that fast? I don't think you can run that fast.
Right, give me a 5-second head start, ready?
Go.
5 seconds and you break his ankles.
And my deck was bending. He's so slow.
Get some energy out of him.
Yeah.
Didn't I have that swing that was like 30?
But you said he was slow, but in all fairness, first 38 miles an hour, he's not actually that slow.
Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, and it wins.
Did you get any more that time?
38.8.
Same again.
Same again. All right, 4S.
Oh, look.
What?
The tyre's gone rounded.
Oh.
I think the foam must have shifted or something.
Oh.
I'm sure it wasn't like that before.
No, it wasn't. What? Oh, no, look. I plugged up the hole just to see what would happen.
Oh, and it's sucked air and it can't get out.
Must have done, yeah.
Oh, wow, that's cool. That's a motorbike tire now.
Yeah. All right, we'll put a 4S in there. And then Destruction Derby.
That's what we can do.
All right, 4S time. Let's see what happens.
Phew.
4S, baby. Oh, yeah, it's impossible. Just wheelies. Oh, just wheelies. Yeah. Oh my God, what's going on here? What's what happens when you floor it? Ready? What happened?
One wheel was round.
Oh. Oh my God, them tyres are going to explode.
That hurts my body.
All right, can we beat 38.8 mile an hour? Oh, still wheeling. All right, try it coming back. Let's try again. Well, that's flat out. That's flat out. Flat out.
That's quick.
I can't believe that kid did that. It's manky.
I'm going to drive back slowly just in case so it
One
doesn't.
that touched that.
Oh, it stayed on.
47. 47.
47.6. Yes.
Yeah. I want to do that.
Destruction Derby. When we starting?
I'm getting that.
Now go.
I reckon we should go back in that bowl.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. All right, Destruction Derby's going to go on in the bowl. Alright guys, that's all we got time for this video, so I'm going to finish up Destruction Derby on the next video. It was a 4-car Destruction Derby. We had 8 SDs ECX amp, we had a Hobeo Hyper ST, we had my Slash 4x4, and we also had that 1/8 scale buggy, which was like an RB1. And the Slash just kept going and going and going, so in the end I just gave it to the kids and let them try to finish it off. So make sure you check out the next video to see how we got on. So if you like this video guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Destruction Derby video next. See you soon, bye.